Welcome everyone. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you the way I make the skin tone of my photos well. Keep in mind that there is no such thing called as the perfect skin tone. I will share with you my favorite skin color palette. You will also find yours by searching on the internet. Just search and save it on your computer. So, let's jump into Photoshop. Here is the image. You can see that horrible skin tone. Mainly, it happened because of the surroundings light. I am Muhammad Alamin Tushar. Let's see. First of all, we will copy our skin color palette and place it on our photo. Now go to the background layer and make a selection of the screen. Keep in mind no highlighted or shiny area would be selected. Now make a copy of the selection with Ctrl J. Ctrl selected and press here. There with the selection will be highlighted. Then go to filter and blur and erase. That will give you an average color of the whole skin. Now press Ctrl D. And top of everything, make a curves adjustment layer. Go to the hand tool. Keep in mind that you should not sample from the mask. You should sample from the symbol. Keep the symbol selected. Go to the hand tool. Press Ctrl and Shift and dab. That will make a point in every red, green, and blue channel. Go to the RGB channel and press Ctrl and Shift and make a pointer. That will give you the info of RGB right here. Then go to red channel and see which color is mostly alike with the skin. I think this one is here. So I will dial the red to 129. Let's dial it up or down. Eyes down. 25, 24, 28, 29. Then go to green. I will dial it up to 96. That's 97, 96. And go to blue and it should be 8, 90, 79. Sorry, 79. Yeah, let's unhide the layer of and selected layer. Also the pointer. See the dramatical change of the skin. See, if I think this is not pretty much done, let's create an hue saturation layer and saturation a little bit down. That will make for this I think it should be minus 20. That's okay. I will make another curves and make the overall this side of the skin highlighted. So like this, yeah, not the overall image. So I will make the mask invert, Control I, and with a soft round brush I will with paint some of the areas with the white brush. Let's see. I think it's too much. Control J, and I will dial down the flow, zoom it a little bit. Let's see. That's a little bit. Let's see the overall before and after. Let's before, after. If you are liking this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's move on to a next example. Here you can see I had already done the trick here. Let's see the before and after. Let's before, after. It is affecting the overall image. So I will make an invert of the mask and paint only the skin with my brush. see, that's only affect the screen. You can also do it with the previous example too. So I think the hair are not looking right, so I will make the hair unselected from the hair. So I will press X to toggle between the foreground and background color and brush over the hair. That will not affect in the curves. Let's see. Now it's looking pretty much good. Let's see the overall before and after. That's all for today. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up.